Shit's crazy, huh?
Chill on for the respect. Never settle for less. I'ma get that spazzing on till it's bitch black. I am just an icon living. Anybody that hate, I will Smith them. Get it? If you didn't, well, I guess you gotta listen more. Listen more.
Alright. So they are not in here, but I have them inside. I'm gonna start the car up. Got my laptop. Fucking Brad fixed it. Kid's a wizard when it comes to tuning or fixing laptops. I'll pull this thing into the Bay 3 and then get cracking on these rotors. Alright. So we're basically just going at it. Oh, fuck me. Just going at it. Take this bracket off so that we can put this bitch on. Happens every day over here at the GIF. Anyways, stand by. Got it off, new joint. That's the fucking old one. Alright, stay tuned. I'm gonna fucking do the rest of this shit. It's tough, it's real tough. One hand in it. What y'all think? I don't know. I'm skeptical. Guess we'll find out. Stay tuned. Okay, so my driver side caliper, the piston blew out. Made a mess. So just ordered a new one. New one's on. Just paid like $70. All good. Drilled and slotted rotor. Brand new caliper. I'm slacking on time, but I'm getting it done. So stay tuned. I'm trying my best to pull this all together. It's gonna be a little everywhere, but it's content. So enjoy. Alright, YouTube. This is as far as I got. That side's done. That side's done. This side's pretty much done. Okay. I'll use this. And this little fuck nut right here because it's just spinning. So stay tuned, whatever. I'm gonna be done in a couple seconds. I'll show you the finished product. Shit was a pain in the ass, but I ended up getting it. Got all of them lined up. Shit works. Looks good. That one's on. All I gotta do is just bleed it and then it's good to go. Alright, now last but not least, we're gonna bleed the system. I'm gonna put these wheels back on and I'm gonna fucking go home. Coming down. Slowly. Extremely slowly. Here we go. Oh, oh, oh. No, no, no. Don't you do that. Forgot the e-brake is not up. Okay. Okay, she's good, she's good. All right, now I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. Little update on it. I gotta fix this brake issue that I'm having right now because of the line. So I'm not getting the right pressure. So the pads are just kind of skimming. Pad surface. The material from the pads is just kind of chilling on it, but that's the update. Fix my camera. Stay tuned. I got more coming.
For the respect. Never settle for less. I'ma get that spazzing on till it's bitch black. I am just an icon living. Anybody that hate, I will Smith them. Get it? If you didn't, well, I guess you gotta listen more. Listen more.